Hello YouTube, this is going to be a real quick video, means I'm kind of down on how to upload. It's pretty bad. Got the old Windows 7 laptop. I took a video with a 16 gigabyte card on my new camera, put it in there, and I forgot to click down there to erase when you're done importing the card. It went into the computer, but the computer was all confused because it's old computer, because it is a modern camera and modern thing. So this is my old camera with a 4 gigabyte card, and it's old. It only uploads in not even 720, but we thought we'd show this in detail. This was orange, so you just have to imagine that in your mind. You've all seen me clean up wrenches. I use my scrubby pad. I'm sure you've seen what that looks like. I should have had this stuff out here to show you. It's that polycarbonate scrubby pad, whatever. See what that LED light does up there? Weird stuff to the camera. Anyway, keep it short. I use a scrubby pad, okay, and a wire brush. This was really thinned out paint, so it really didn't cover the top of the letters. I mean, it took a couple hours to dry each side because it had so much paint thinner in it. And this step in here, right in here, if you can see it, looked nasty. So it's painted silver, like a silver gray color. So it is painted inside of there. There is a metal clip in here that I sprung so it's tighter. You know, your wrench opens up, because it was real floppy, real junky. But this was really a nasty wrench. Well, it was. It wasn't rusted. It was just nasty old paint chipped off it. But I thought I'd show you some of the stuff I did. I'm going to try to keep this video short, about 3 minutes. Got about a minute left, because these are kind of test videos. But filed all that off when this is cast in a mold. I don't think there's even a trace of it left. Filed it off, took the scrubby thing to it. The scrubby thing doesn't eat a lot of metal. It will just polish the metal pretty good. So there you go, with shellac on it too, okay? So, no pictures. There you go. If you want a picture of it, you can pause. Thanks for watching.